Implicit intents are used to perform actions that can involve components from other applications. You specify the action you want to perform, and the Android system finds the appropriate component to handle that action. Suppose you want to open a web page using the device's web browser. So for that, I'll create a new function here. Name it as Open Web Page. And in this function, I'll start writing the code that allows us to go to the Google website. Web page equal to URI.parse, and here I'll set in Android a URI uniform resource identifier is a compact string representation used to identify a resource such as a file, content, or web address. It's a way to uniquely identify resources and provides a standardized format for addressing resources across different applications and components. So think about it as a string that contains this URL. Now I'll start with the intent class, intent instance, which is named as intent, like this. And here I'll set new intent, and despite using destination, now I'll use the intent class dot. I can see there are a lot of things I can do: text, process text, and so on. Action, airplane mode, all caps, all answer. I need to use action underscore view because I need to view and go to the browser that it is in the device. I need to view the web page. Then I'll use start activity and use intent. So maybe you are wondering what it is the action view in the intent class. Action view is a predefined constant used as an action in the intent class. It's typically used to indicate that you want to view the content specified by a URI or resource. When you create an intent with the action view action and provide a URI, the system will try to find an appropriate component to handle the action, such as opening a web page, displaying an image, or playing a video. In this case, the system will search for a web browser that can open this URI, which is a form web page. One last thing I need to add is a button here in the main activity that allows us to open this web page. Now, let's move to the onCreate method here and initialize the button number 2, btn2 equal to new, find view by id r.id dot open browser. btn2.set on click listener, new view, and I'll call the method open web page. If you have any error like this, just make a clean project. Run the project, and this is our application. I click on Go to Google button, and you can see that I'm directed to the Chrome browser. And you can see that Google is open.